What's up guys, welcome to your 31st After Effects tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to begin working with text. Now hopefully you know the basics of text just from watching me in my last couple tutorials, and you pretty much know how to put text on the screen. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to skip the real basics, because if you ever sat at a computer before, you're going to know how to do put text on a screen and bold it and align it. In this tutorial I'm going to skip to how to move text along a path. So the first thing you need is obviously some text. So go ahead and click Layer, New, Text. And now your little text bar pops up. You could also just click your cursor on the screen and start typing, but this is a little more interesting. So let's go ahead and I'm going to type something. This is some text and apples. Doesn't really matter what we type. Make sure you have a couple typos in there for good looks. And now, after you have text, go ahead and select this text layer right here, and then once this is selected, go ahead and select this pen tool. Now you probably want to click this road up 0 because this is going to give you a nice curved path. Now with the text layer selected, and then when you click the pen tool, go ahead and make a mask. So click this, this, and something like that. So now when you have that mask, go ahead and click text under your properties right here, and what you want to do is click this little thing that called text, and then from here what you want to click is path options, and right here where it says path, you want to click mask 1, since that's the mask you just created. And now you see your text is automatically conformed to that path. So again, your text layer, path options, path, mask 1. Now as you can see, it's stuck to that path, but it's not exactly animated yet along the path. So in order to animate it, what you want to do is go ahead and click this little stopwatch by first margin. And I'm guessing, well, first of all, when you click that stopwatch, it obviously means you can animate it. And I'm guessing you're going to want this to go to left to right, since most people do. So go ahead and scroll this all the way to the left. And as you can see, your text is scrolling to the left as this property goes to the left. Now go ahead and move later in your animation some, and go ahead and scroll it to the right even more. So let's go ahead and scroll it almost off the screen, and as you can see, my text is kind of scrolling along that path. So now whenever we play this animation, we see that this text moves across the screen just how we wanted it to. So that's your basics of how to move text along a predestined path. And again, let's see that one more time just because it is so beautiful. Oh man, would you look at that. And again, you can add different characteristics to your text if you want, but this is the real basics. I just want to show you guys how to move text along a real basic path. So in the next tutorial, we're probably going to be going over text some more, and I'm going to show you something else cool to do with it. But for now, that's all you get. So I guess you're just going to have to subscribe and wait to see the next tutorial. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.